Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone camera not working issue after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So fix this issue. First of all, you have restart camera app you have while using your iPhone, then you have close from here. So you have double click on home bar, then you have home button, so you have close from here, and then you have restart. So this is the first method to fix a glitch in any app installed on your iPhone. So swipe up the camera app in the app switcher to close it and then restart it. So if the camera works properly on your iPhone, then other solution, you have make sure iPhone is not overheating. So then your iPhone is overheating, then create a problem on your iPhone, camera not working or other app is not working. So then you have must be uh, not overheat your iPhone. So you have seen your iPhone not is overheating, so then not fix the problem on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have wait for next iOS update. So you have check the update. So you have click on setting, click on general, click on software update. So then you have check iOS latest version update available or not on your iPhone. Then another solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset our setting. iPhone given a passcode, do not lose any data, only reset our setting on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. Then last solution, you have reset our setting, then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.